family, my name is Sherelle and welcome to Faith and Flow Yoga. I'm so excited to share this new program that I created because it was actually inspired by my late grandmother, Leola Williams, who had a heart condition. And so for those of you all that are into preventive care, this program is for you. If you have a grandmother, a mother, or an aunt that is looking for a program that is going to build their heart health, then this is the program for you. This is the Yoga and Wellness program for heart health. And in this program, you'll receive Christian meditations that are designed to deal with your spiritual heart first, along with breath work. And then we'll move to the physical postures and the practice, which complement each other so that you can really tend to the entire body, mind, body, spirit, right? That's who we are. And so with this program, I hope that you will share this program with either yourself or someone that is in need. Love yourself, and that first starts with the heart. Learning how to breathe in and let the stress out so that you can live faith-filled and yoga strong.